Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we will see installation of Termix and Hacker's Keyboard from Play Store. Open Play Store. Type Termix. You will find Termix app. This app requires Android OS version 5 and above. Click on Install. This will install Termix app on your phone. After completion, click on Open. This is the terminal of Termix application. Here you can see some basic commands. To search package, use command pkg search. Here query is package name. To install new package, use command pkg install and package name. To upgrade package, use command pkg upgrade. To get more information, use command pkg help. Now we have installed Termix application on Android device. Next, we will install Hacker's Keyboard. Hacker Keyboard is an alternative input method on Android that provides advanced inputs much like desktop keyboard. To install it, go to Play Store. Type Hacker's Keyboard and install it. After installing, open it and click on Enable Keyboard. You will see many options here. Scroll down. You will find Hacker Keyboard. Enable it. Now come back and set input type as Hacker's Keyboard. Now the keyboard is ready to use. It has all the functionalities which are present on desktop keyboard. We will open Termix app. You can see the new keyboard. That's it. See you in next lecture.